I'm sharing the exact step-by-step process I used to make $30,000 in just 3 months with dropshipping. The first step was finding a profitable niche. I spent time researching trends and identifying products that had high demand but low competition. I used tools like Google Trends and niche-specific Facebook groups to pinpoint the right market to enter. Once I had my niche, I focused on selecting products that were in high demand and had good profit margins. I looked for products that offered value to customers and were easy to market using platforms like AliExpress. After picking my products, I built a professional Shopify store that was user-friendly with high-quality images. I optimized the checkout process and included customer reviews to build trust. With my store ready, I started running Facebook and Instagram ads to drive traffic. I tested different ad creatives and optimized my budget to scale quickly. I reached out to influencers for partnerships to help promote my products and build trust. Their recommendations helped drive more traffic to my store. I set up email automations for abandoned carts and ran special offers to encourage repeat purchases. A smooth funnel maximized conversions from product selection to checkout. Once I saw positive results, I reinvested profits back into the business and expanded my marketing channels. By following these steps, I made $30,000 in just 3 months with dropshipping. Consistency, testing, and optimizing are key to success. Apply these strategies and you'll be on your way.